I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. Today I am reviewing Creatology's Puffy chalk paint and spray chalk paint. I have always tried to make these in the past and they always are a fail when I do it myself. So I figured I would buy them, compare them, see if either of them works, see which one is better so you guys can buy the one that works better. Here are the directions that we're gonna follow. Basically, it tells you the ratio of water to chalk and then you shake it up and spray. And then it comes with tons of really good quality stencils. You can reuse these stencils for paint, not just for chalk. These are the win here. Got a rocket ship, some groovy stuff, positive vibes only, be kind, peace, a unicorn, dynamite, a cool sun and rainbow, a happy day flamingo, and then this really cute popcorn and food set. So those come with the spray bottles. And then for the Puffy paint pack, it just comes with all the letters in the alphabet, which is fun for spelling out, you know, your name, your favorite word, a poem, a song, whatever you want. Okay, let's go try everything out.
Still on Black Lives, 'cause they're still getting killed. I got friends full of melanin who say they ain't through with the way our country goes. Got a lot of work to go, I know for sure, but are we still alive? Ooh, are we still alive? Take a look at it.
Guys, it worked. This spray chalk was the winner in my book. If you had to pick between that and the other one, I think that one is way more fun. Although with the squeeze Puffy bottle, it wasn't great with the stencils, but it's fun for doing your own designs and, you know, drawing hearts and kind of has that splatter effect. So they're good depending on what kind of creative you want to be that day. And before you come after me and say, but Madison, you can make this yourself at home. Yes, you can. Yes, I've tried, but it was never as good as the quality of that. So I don't know, maybe there's something to it. Who knows? If you've ever made it yourself, please let me know. Tell me your magical trick besides mixing up chalk and water. Perhaps I was using the wrong type of spray bottle. Maybe that one with a ch-ch-ch is the best instead of that ch-ch-ch one, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm really happy with these results. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to see more crafts, reviews, and fun content. You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok at Mad Crafty. And I will see you next time. Bye!